desperation turn into celebration. That's the blessing of obedience. Kapag sumunod tayo, hindi ka nag-e-expect ng biyaya. Si Lord ang bahala kung ano ang ibibigay niya sa atin. We just have to obey and let God move. Hindi tayo makaranas ng paggalaw ng Diyos kasi hindi tayo sumusunod ng tama. Maybe you have still that jar of oil na hindi mo mabigay-bigay. Kaya hindi mo maranasan yung breakthrough sa buhay mo eh. Yung sa pagsunod natin, parang laging limitado. Kaya hindi tayo maka-experience ng financial breakthrough. You have to obey. Give the jar of oil and see how God will pour blessings after blessings. And to your amazement, what you need is your faith in God. Kahit may pinagdadaanan, sumunod pa rin. Kasi gustong makita ni Lord kung paano siya gagalaw sa buhay. You just have to wait for Him. Let us see how miracle will work out sa buhay natin.